Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT widget on EMPORIA Smart 6. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. And now click install. And click open. Now you can click this button to skip introduction, then click not now and click open permissions. Here select AI assistant and now click on allow to display over other apps. Now you can click back and click back again, and here click start, and as you can see here's your ChatGPT widget, and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.